Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about secant of s equal to 1 over cos s. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about cos s equals to e to the power of s plus e to the power of negative s over number 2. That means we need to transform this one into this one. So, number 2 I will put into numerator, and we have number 2 in here. Next, we need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. This one multiplied by this one, so we have e to the power of 2s plus 1. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. The u we have e to the power of s ds. This one we transform by u square because we have number 2 in here. This one we transform by u. E to the power of s ds we transform into du. So number 2 I will put this one in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to u square plus 1. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equal to 2u du. So this one we can change by t. 2u du we change by dt. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. About u, that is about e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.